Hello everyone, this is my review on the USB cable from carebest.com. It's arrived about took 2 weeks to arrive in UK. Came well packed, and there it is. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm opening now to see what's inside. Obviously, back look like that. Nothing fancy. I'm gonna use only one hand because my other hand is holding the camera. Sorry about that. Here it is. It's a nylon USB cable, 3 meter long length. Try to focus it. Feels good in the hand. Cover it with nylon. Doesn't look really cheap. It looks quite good. I'll try to extend it a little bit. Well, you got the idea anyways. It's 3 meters long, so not gonna fit in my screen. So yeah, there it is. Good looking. Feels nice in the hand, covered with the nylon. White ends. One end is a micro USB, the other one is a 2.0 I think USB connection. Yeah. If you like it, please visit carebest.com. I'll leave the link in the description and you can buy it. Thank you. Cheers.